It is the biggest shopping event in the world, Alibaba's Singles Day on November 11th. It's a Super Bowl of shopping. It's set to smash records again this weekend. Deirdre Bosa is in Vancouver to show us what to expect. Hi, Deirdre.
Hey, Melissa. Well, you could even call it the Super Bowl of shopping on steroids. Now, here's what Alibaba's president had to say about its scale on CNBC earlier today.
This year, we expect it'll be well over a billion packages. And our goal, particularly with the investments and the enhancements that we've made in smart logistics, both domestically and for our international consumers, we would expect that people should be receiving those packages within 3 to 4 days. Many people will receive the packages on the same day.
Now, a billion packages expected, and that's just 10 years after Alibaba created this holiday to celebrate singledom. Now, to put its growth another way, look at the sales over that time. In 2009, gross merchandise volume, or GMV, was $8 million. Last year, it was $25 billion, and this year, Evan says, will be the biggest yet. But, guys, there could be some headwinds for Alibaba this year. There's the slowing Chinese economy that could dampen some shopper enthusiasm, and there's rising competition from smaller e-commerce players like JD.com and Pinduoduo, who have formed strategic alliances with Alibaba's biggest competitor in China, Tencent. Now, it is possible that these factors also dampening sentiment among investors ahead of this weekend. And according to Kensho data, don't hold your breath for a pop after the event, after this weekend, no matter how big the headline GMV numbers are. Shares have traded negatively on all Singles Days, or the first trading day after Singles Days, since Alibaba became a public company in 2014. A month later, Alibaba trades lower 75% of the time, underperforming the S&P. Melissa?
All right, Deirdre, thank you. Not very good odds in terms of Alibaba's stock, but I think a lot of people will be looking at the numbers come Monday and trying to extrapolate what this means for the Chinese economy, which could affect sentiment in the broader markets.
Yeah, but again, some of that's priced in. Remember, these guys just reported, and they had weakness in the numbers. They actually had some downgrade in terms of estimates, and they actually downgraded on margins. They're spending a lot on their business. Big difference about this Singles Day. Never in this stock's history has it been assaulted the way it has going into this Singles Day, where the bar is very low. I'm not telling you this stock's going to rally hard, but to be jumping out of the window on this one with this valuation is not something I'm doing.
I think that's the key, is look at the damage that's been done, both technically and on this whole move.
But this is the first time it's also gone into a Singles Day with a trade war going on with the United
exactly.
States.
So this has been the proxy for China trade war. This is something that we've had opposite year. Everything you expected is not happening. So I think maybe you get a chance for this thing to pop coming out of Singles Day for the first time.
What I was saying to Tim, though, was that people will read into this, and if the numbers come in less than expected, they're going to say, this is proof that the Chinese economy is slowing, the Chinese consumer is running out of power, et cetera, et cetera.
They may. There's plenty of other proof out there that there's issues with the Chinese economy. So, I think a lot of that is likely priced in. Interesting how it traded today in a down tape, and I actually thought it traded fairly well going into this. So maybe the sentiment's washed out on it.